I first started training archery in 2015. I had zero archery knowledge, and technically I learned with my feet before my hands. To this day, I've actually never had an archery lesson. A lot of what I do is instinctive and just kind of made up as I go along. I like to say, fake it till you make it. One day I realized, why be the best when you could be the only one? Be so different that no one else can even compare to you. I perform at events and on TV. I do stunts for films. I've been in Wonder Woman. And now I create content, and hopefully you guys have seen my videos and some of the crazy things that I do. I absolutely love my job. This is the love of my life. Every day I get to wake up and do something different, and I wouldn't have it any other way.